This is Martin Auer speaking again from Science Sales Academy, and this is video number 136, and it is about the DISC model and the question: is there a DISC profile that suggests success? If you are dealing with a DISC model, if you have already created your own DISC profile, or if you use the knowledge from the DISC model in your daily work, be it for personal management, for sales, for project management, in the private area or wherever, then inevitably the question will arise whether there is one typical DISC profile. I mean, one typical result of the DISC test which suggests success or a successful life in business or for some business areas. This question is quite easy to answer. There is nothing like that. In many years of the DISC model, after more than 30 million successfully used and systematically evaluated questionnaires to the DISC model, something like one typical DISC form could never be determined. It is impossible to say that very successful people have a special, always the same pattern in their DISC profile. It is not possible to tell from the mere form of the DISC profile whether one person is successful or not. The reason is as follows. The DISC model is primarily a tool for self-reflection as well as for the understanding of other people, thus enabling the establishment and maintenance of valuable interpersonal relationships. Exactly here, the DISC model has its strength. For this, it is exactly suitable. It does not make any sense to try to develop one's own DISC profile according to some assumed standard patterns of successful people. Rather, we should accept our personal DISC profile as given and perceive it as a basis for personal development. The DISC model enables a more intense self-awareness, but also more effective communication and building more productive, more resilient, simply better and more respectful interpersonal relationships. At this point, the DISC model can make a valuable contribution to personal success. The DISC model is simple. The four basic types are divided along two axes, which ensures a very high practicability for everyday work. And what is even more important is that the DISC model is based on and describes observable behavior, not primarily personality or underlying character traits or even values. Therefore, there is not this one and only DISC profile that promises success, but rather it depends on the DISC profile in relationship to the activity. To give a striking example, a successful physician will have a different DISC profile than a successful drug lord or dictator. This means that also for the DISC model it depends on what you make out of it. Please subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video here on the right bottom side. It's totally free of cost for you and there are no further obligations whatsoever. For you it is only one single mouse click and for me it helps a lot. Thank you very much. And as your personal starting point to more effectiveness in everything what has to do with people, just click on this little eye at the right top side. Here is free for download your personal DISC booklet, your most important foundation for success in strategic sales in life science and biotech market. You have questions? Just contact me. My contact information is on my homepage, thesciencesalesacademy.com. Thanks a lot for listening and watching. Take care and see you again next time here on Science Sales Academy channel.